If you want to learn how to delete eSIM from your iPhone, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. Before this tutorial begins, please don't forget to press subscribe on our channel. Now, first step, open settings on your phone and then look for cellular. This is just below Bluetooth and above personal hotspot. Once you're here, just scroll down until you see the settings about eSIM. As you'll see on my phone, I don't have an eSIM, so the only option available is to add one. It says here that you can set up an eSIM or cellular by transferring from another phone or by scanning a QR code. But if you already have an eSIM, just go here and then you'll see the option about deleting it. It will say delete eSIM. Just press that and just like that, you can successfully remove or delete eSIM from your phone. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.